Hey everybody, this is Willie. Hope you're all doing great. I haven't posted in a while, so I thought I'd just upload something. It's currently raining, so I'm not riding today. This was several weeks back after I got my electrical issue fixed with my Suzuki S40 Boulevard. It's a 2006 year bike, cruiser, and my headlight and front turn signals and horn went out. It turned out it was electrical connector under the seat. It's I don't know if you ride at night, but it's pretty dim, this headlight. It's not an LED, as I will comment as I go around the corner here. I normally don't ride at night, but the sun sets pretty early, so you kind of got caught somewhere, and get to test out the old headlight. It seems pretty dim. It's definitely not. It's not an LED light, that's for sure. See, it does seem to be pretty dim. Maybe I can get an LED replacement headlight for this model, I'm not sure, but I'm sure that would make the headlight a lot brighter. In the meantime, I probably won't ride much at night at all. I generally don't like to ride at night, and I don't like to ride in the rain. Just want to be a little safer, and the Ninja definitely has a really bright light compared to this.